Okay, good morning guys. Today, I'm gonna cook binagoongang bangus. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We have the chilies, uh, onions, garlic, tomatoes, and then the bagoong, and then the bangus. The bangus I marinated with soy sauce and then dredge in the flour so that the bangus will, the oil will not splatter. Okay. Okay. That's it. First batch. Okay. I'm gonna transfer this one to the plate. Oh, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then the tomatoes. And then the chilies. And then guys, we're gonna add the shrimp paste or bagoong. And then we're gonna add black pepper. Mm, yummy. And we're gonna add the bangus. Since there's a lot, I'm going to do it First batch and then second batch. Okay, I'm gonna get a container. Okay, guys, we're gonna put this one here first. Next batch. The taste, guys, we don't need to put salt. Everything is okay already. Okay, it's already covered already by the bagoong. Okay, look at that one, guys. It's super yummy and tasty. Okay? Okay, the binagoongang bangos. It's very tasty and yummy, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Bruja, to my Instagram, the underscore, bro underscore ja, and to my TikTok at the Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, the Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and to my Instagram and to all my accounts, the YouTube, TikTok, Facebook page, uh, personal blog, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.